Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a unboxing, reveal, opening. I can't remember. I was in a Facebook group, not Facebook group, I don't have Facebook, on Instagram swap. And I believe this one was hosted by Callie from Callie Stone, and her YouTube is Callie Crafts at All. Um, she does have a Instagram, and it's a fruity fruit swap. I hope this is the one because I'm so lost already. I had three going on at the same time, and I'm just like, oh. Anyways, so yeah. Anyways, my partner was Christy, and Christy is on Instagram. Her name is Eeyore. Oh, Rue one and Kuwai, and on YouTube she's Kuwai Memo Love. Oh my goodness, you guys! It just takes me a while before I figure stuff out, and it took me this long. Anyway, so this is what she sent me. I've been waiting a whole week to open it. I hope she's already received mine because yeah. Oh yeah, it is a fruit swap. She put Kathy fruit swap. I was like, I had two spring swaps and a fruity swap, and then I'm doing another one for mine and Brenda's challenge. Anyways, so I just, yeah, it's just one of those moments. Anyways, so let's see. I know she actually tagged me on Instagram, not on YouTube. And I saw a picture of a lot of green and red, but I did not click on the video because I didn't think it was fair for me to open my box or watch anything until she received mine. And like I said, I sent her. Oh my gosh, I sent mine to her. Oh my goodness, you guys, what's wrong with me? Anyways, I might just need water. Dehydrated. Anyway, so excuse my little moments. So I sent her a tracking on Monday. That's when I sent it, and so hopefully she receives it by now. So yay! I can't wait to see what she sent me. So yay! So we were supposed to do a basket bag. Oh my goodness! I think hers is big. Basket bag tote, oh I just opened Alicia, so yeah. And then we were supposed to do, okay, this is the one where it has the chain. Okay, so I had to do 4 mini embellishments, 4 mini bows. Wait, no, that's the egg swap. Sorry. Okay, sorry you guys, I have it written here and I'm just like everywhere. We had to decorate a basket, we had to do a memory dex card, we had to do a sweet treat, a sequence mix, and a crafter's choice or store-bought item. So yeah, Callie has a Facebook group, and she hosts the swaps there with another of her friends, and then sometimes she she posts those videos or posts on IG. So yeah, we reached out to her and asked her if we could join, and she said you guys are welcome. Anyway, so yay! So let me go ahead and show you what Christy did. Oh my goodness, how cute is it? Oh my goodness, look at those shakers. So that is a strawberry shaker. Oh my goodness, how cute! And a mason. Oh my goodness, are those the chaos craft? Oh my goodness, how cute! Anyways, so she did the main squeeze stickers, and there you go. Oh my goodness, how cute is it? Oh my god, mine's not that cute. Oh, and I see what she did. Anyways, so if I could pull this up, and she made it so where she tangled it there, but this is a Dollar Tree. This is the part of it right here. I just bought it, that's why I know. That's why I know, or else I'd be clueless. I'd be like, oh, how creative. Anyways, how cute is that? So she did leave this on here just in case, I guess, if I wanted to leave it on there. But oh my goodness, how creative is that? Okay, so here is is this her memory dex card? It looks like it might be. I love this idea, you guys. Oh, she actually bought the cellophane bags. Oh my goodness. So she loves Eeyore. Okay. Oh, sorry. I hope none of these items Okay, I think she just put sequins in there. Okay, how cute is this? Look at that. So she used some green. She used the flower right here. She used this cute little sticker. How cute is that? And then this is a oh my goodness, what is it called? Rainbow, heart rainbow. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. And then sorry, cute is my word right now. And oh my goodness, these are like the patches. And she puts them right here, like the patches you would put on your clothing. Back in the day, we used to do that. And then she put a strawberry shaker over here. And, sorry, I hope it's not part of the thing, is it? Oh, if it is, I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, so how cute is that? And then her information is in the back. And again, oh, thank you for just doing that. Oh, my thing has not been focusing. So Christine from QY Memo Love on YouTube and your rule one. Okay, so how cute is that? So I hope these were not part of this inside. Let me know, Christine, if they were, so that way I can take care of that. Okay, and then here is her crafter's choice. How cute is this? She used a cute little pencil. How cute is that? I love this. This is so cute. And then look at that, you guys. So yeah, she put sequins on the other one too. Okay, so okay, I thought it was opened. Okay, ooh, look at this. So she used the rest of the collection for that main squeeze. Is that what it was? Anyways, how cute is that? So she used green. Oh, thank you so much. So she added some die cuts for me here so I can use our ephemera or stickers. And then this is a paper pad. Love that. And here are her pieces of ephemera. There you go. There you go. How cute are these? I love how vibrant they are. How like they look like pictures. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? Oh my goodness, how cute. How cute. I hope you like what I sent you. I really do. Oh my goodness. How cute. Okay, there you go. I love this paper clip. I'm just going to put it up here. And these are falling off. Now we'll put them in there. So that's right there. And she sent me some sequins right here. Love that. Oh, how cute. Okay, I got to see this little gusanito. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that apple with the little worm and a little bow on there. And then, oh, okay. Oh, how creative is that? So, see? So all we get, oh, it sticks on here. Okay. So basically she did it so it could stick here. Oh, cute. I love this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead. And she sent me some stickers. Oh, how cute are those? I will definitely be using those for either summer or another swap. And then she sent me this right here, and I can feel coolness. So let's see what this is. I love this little box. Where did you get these bags? Okay, so it's taking me a minute. Drop everything on here. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm not commenting on that right now. I think I sent you one similar to that. I don't remember what I sent. And she sent me these. These are so cute. I love this idea. I don't know who came up with this idea, but this is the cutest. Oh my goodness. If you came up with the idea, I love it. If you didn't, I love it. Thank you for using it. And she sent me, oh, this is the clip that was on there. And then is this candy or, oh, it's hand sanitizer. Okay, I haven't seen these. They smell nice. Let's see. Ooh, smells like alcohol, but it still has that after smell. Not bad. I have not seen these. Oh my goodness, come on, look out for these. And then this is the other one where she just wrapped this. I love this idea. Would have not thought of doing that. Love it. I am going to alter it, however you say it. And let me see what's in here. Ooh. Oh, these are going to be in my tummy soon. Oh my goodness. Those will be gone and soon. Anyways, that is it. Thank you, Christine, for being my partner. Love how you did this. And then let me see. This is her. How cute. How do you undo this? Oh, okay. How cute is this? Oh, how cute. So she's just saying thank you for being, you know, basically what we did. Anyways, awesome. Love it. Oh, I love these patches. Oh my goodness. How amazing. You guys, I will link her down on the description below. You guys go over, show her some love and support. If you are not following her on YouTube, go over, follow her. She is an amazing crafter. You guys, we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.